Hey guys, it's me, Risa. I'm in the staff room and it's lunchtime and I'm starving, of course. One of the tips that I wanted to tell you was that I love lots of protein in my salads, and today I'm going to teach you a 3 high protein salad that has helped me lose all this weight and that is nutritious, healthy, delicious, and will keep you satisfied. So I've already put my salad together, so I'm just going to go through it, and hopefully this will help you as well. Alrighty, so I'm in my staff room, as you can see, and here's my gorgeous big salad. So you can see I use a large bowl, and I always start off with some fresh spinach. It's hiding under here, some romaine. I have broccoli, cucumber, yellow pepper, any pepper you can use, some little cherry tomatoes, and some fruit. So I have some blueberries, I have some apple. Now, for my high protein, I have hard-boiled egg, and you can see that I always make extra, and today's Thursday, depending on when you watch this. So you can see I have a couple extra because it's a great snack as well, right? And then I have chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great source of minerals and vitamins and fiber, and low fat and really healthy. And then I buy this chicken meat. And again, you see I have the package here. They come in 2 at Walmart, great value. And I've sliced that up as well. And then for tomorrow, I already have it packed up, and I'll add all of this and cut it all up for tomorrow's salad. The reason why I don't like cutting up my vegetables, and I've told you this before, is because they get mushy, and who wants a mushy salad? And there's my apple. I think I mentioned that, but sometimes I forget what I say. And I like to squeeze some lemon, and I've got my lemon for tomorrow. And then I make a homemade dressing, and you can find my recipes on my YouTube channel. Today it's a Dijon lemon vinaigrette with fresh garlic crushed, and I put in some olive oil, Dijon mustard, sometimes like some sweet with heat mustard, and lemon juice, and a sweetener, oregano or Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. But you can get the full recipe on my channel. Remember, all my recipes are written out and are versatile. So 3 high protein options here, and of course you can add what you want, and you can use whatever dressing. Homemade dressing I find is the best. You can control the sugar, fat, sodium, all right? And I can't wait to dig into my salad, and that's it. So Risa Warner YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, tell me what you think. Enjoy a nice big healthy salad. Now, of course, you can have this for dinner, and you can have this as a snack after a workout, okay? So I hope this is helpful for you and your weight loss journey too. And that's it. So now I'm going to enjoy my delicious salad. I'm not going to chew in your face because you don't want to hear that. So take care. Bye for now.